Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, for matrices x and y, if xy is equal to x and yx is equal to y, then y squared must coincide with. So now, we have been given that yx is equal to y. Now multiplying both sides by y, in fact post multiplying both sides by y, we get yx into y is equal to y squared. This can be written as y into xy is equal to y squared, but xy is equal to x, so yx is equal to y squared, but we have been given that yx is equal to y, so y is equal to y squared. So option B is the correct answer. The next question is, the system of equations ax plus 2y minus z is equal to 1, a minus 1 into y minus 2z is equal to 2, and a plus 2 into z is equal to 3 has a unique solution if a equals. So now first let us write the determinant. So this would be a 2 minus 1, 0 a minus 1 and minus 2, and 0 0 a plus 2. Now the value of this determinant is equal to a into a minus 1 into a plus 2. Since you'll expand a with this thing, a with this on expansion this, and since these are 0, so you don't need to expand the others, and this would give you a minus 1 into a plus 2 and 0 into minus 2, this would give you 0, so you get this as the value of your determinant. Now for a unique solution to exist, this should not be equal to 0 for a unique solution. So looking at the options, if a is equal to 0, this thing becomes 0, so a is not possible. If a is equal to 1, that is option B, again this term would become 0, so option B is incorrect. If a equals minus 2, this term would become 0, so C is incorrect. So option D, that is a is equal to minus 1, will give us a unique solution. The next question is, suppose x greater than y implies log x less than log y for all x y greater than 0. Then a possible value of base of the logarithm is. Now let the base be b, so then the numbers become log bx and log by, but log ex and log 10x, these are all increasing functions of x. However, log 1 by 3x is equal to log x log e base x by log x to the base e by log 1 by 3 to the base e, which can be further written as log x to the base e and log 3 inverse to the base e, or log x to the base e log 3 to the base e with a minus sign in front, since this minus 1 comes over here. Now this is a decreasing function of x, so option C is the correct answer. And remember one thing, that log x to the base b is decreasing for the range of b where b greater than 0 and less than 1.